So we're going to remove the front panels on the Smart car. This is a Smart 450. To do that, start off by removing the grille. To do that, there's 4 clips. There's 4 clips at the bottom and about 3 at the top. You can see there's like a little ridge where you can fit a screwdriver in, and then you just have to pry the little clip up. And then just pull it out slightly as you're doing it. Push that in and just pull it very slightly. And we'll do the middle one up here in the little gap for the screwdriver. You can feel a little bit of tension relief. Then we go to the bottom. And same with this one. And then got one at the top here. And then the last one should be just there. And if any have popped back in, just redo them. And then you can remove it. Okay, so here you can see with it off, you're basically going to push this clip in. It's a perfect little slot for the screwdriver. Just push that in and it will release. You basically do the same for all of the top ones and then the same for the bottom ones. Then the grille is removed. Next we're going to remove these 2 bolts. They're T25s. One on this side and one on the other side where the fog lights are. And the same on the other side. So now we're going to come to the side and there's some bolts going all the way across. So to get to them, open the door. So where the door is, there's 4 here, and then there's some hidden behind. There's 1 hidden behind here. So start by just undoing these. These are T25s as well. And then there's this little black one that's not a proper bolt, it's just a little bit of plastic with a clip. So get a little screwdriver and try and get it in behind. That comes out. Once you've undone that little clip, just slide it out. That comes out and it reveals a bolt just here. So loosen this bolt as well. And now just remove them all. And now we just need to unclip it, but before we unclip it, to just get it out of the way, we'll do the same on the other side. This side's exactly the same, except for you just have to unscrew the antenna. Apart from that, the rest of the process is the same on this side. Bottom of the bumper, just here, so it's in line with this little piece at the bottom, and the same on the other side. There's these little clips which you just lift the bottom of the bumper and pull it slightly towards you. Do the same on both sides, so that way the front of the bumper's free. Now we're going to unhook it from each side of the door. So we're going to unhook it from here, but be careful not to drop the panel, and also we're going to have to disconnect a couple of electrical connectors. So just get the panel and just sort of slowly pull it out slightly, just to slowly release it a little bit. But then the door's in the way, so then we're just going to close the door, and that should get us enough space to pull it out. So with the door shut, you can pull the rest of that panel out slightly, and then just leave it there for a second. Okay, and once you've got that out a little bit again, close the door and get the rest from the outside. And pull the panel out. Got an electrical connector for the fog light. So you just disconnect and do the same on the other side. Then over here, if your car has fog lights, then at the back of each fog light you've just got a connector. So there's these little metal prongs, just squeeze them on each side. There's one at the top, one at the bottom, and then just pull it away. And then the same on the other side. Squeeze it and pull it away. Now you can take the whole front panel away from the car. Inside of the panel, these are the clips that you had to undo, but you can see at the bottom there's another small little clip that you pull outwards towards the outside of the car, just as you're pulling it apart. So bring the panels back close to the car and get your fog light connectors and then plug it in. Once you've brought it close enough, then connect the fog lights back in. So just get the connector and just push it till it clicks. And the same on the other side. Put the bulb back in and then twist. And same on the other side. Get the indicator and just twist. Pull it up and then towards the car. So you can just line it up. And just push that in for now, and then do the same on the other side. Just slide it all in, and then we can start doing the bolts. So push the bottom of the bumper in so it clips in. So those two are in place. And then go back to the side door. Get your 4 screws and just put them in. Don't fully tighten them yet because we haven't got everything in place, but just start putting them in and just tighten them up by hand. Get the one for the outside. And then do them up with the ratchet. These don't need to be too tight. The little panel cover and just slide it on, and then get the little clip and put it in, and then push the little retainer in, and that side's done. Now do the same for the other side. So again, just get the clips and screw them in just by hand. And do the one on the outside. And just tighten it with the ratchet. And then do the inside ones. And then get that cover again, slide it over. Then put the clip in that and put the retainer in, and then we're going to go outside and screw the aerial back in. And then just tighten it up with the ratchet, and same on the other side. And then the grille just clips in place. You've got the 3 clips at the top and the 4 at the bottom. So just line it up and then just push to make sure they're all in. you're done.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.